Welcome to Forex Conquered Trading Course. My name is John Person. The purpose of this course is to teach you the basic fundamentals and advanced techniques for successfully trading the Forex or foreign currency markets. Now, pivot points. What are they? Where do you get them? And how do you use them? Well, most members of my advisory service have access to this pivot point calculator. Very common. Price is very important in market analysis, and so is time. So price and time, and that's why pivot points are so powerful, because they combine both price and time. Average values were on a downslope, and what happened? The market reversed the trend. So we went from uptrend, consolidation, to trend reversal. It's a very similar pattern. It reoccurs. This is not the same chart. This is a different chart, different day, different time period, but the patterns reoccur over and over and over again. We're going to go over has to do with a lot of rules and setups, and I think that's one of the facts of trading that many investors fail to recognize, that you need to follow a systematic approach to the market. What prohibits us from approaching the market systematically is, for most investors, they just fail to apply all the lessons learned from past mistakes. Now let's take a look at stochastics and MACD. I use a fast stochastics, and this is your regular setting with MACD. 12, 26, 9, and your 14, 3 setting for your fast stochastics. Now we have bearish divergence, which is reflective in what? Our stochastics. We definitely have a lower low. Stochastics has a higher low. MACD has a higher low as well. We don't have a double moving average crossover, but notice our MACD histogram finally triggers a zero line cross, which confirms an equal opposite tweezer bottom. Isn't that something? Now we get into Fibonacci. Now Fibonacci series, and this is in your course manual as well, indicates of course the relative series of numbers in an infinite series, that each number is added to the previous, such as 1 and 1 equals 2, 2 and 1 equals 3, 3 and 2 equals 5, and 5 and 3, 8, and so forth, and that goes on to infinity. How do we use Fibonacci correction levels? Well, real simple. Now, how do you start trading? Well, first you got to open up a Forex account. Next, you obviously need to practice the platform, not just with real money. You need and practice trading. You need to practice that platform. Every platform, every company has different icons, different idiosyncrasies, and there's just different nuances within every order entry platform. So you need to get a demo account, practice, bang it up, break it. I always say that to all my students. Try to break a system. If you can't break it, you'll learn how to use it. Don't be afraid of it. Go at and use one of those demo accounts to learn how to practice the system itself for each individual brokerage firm that you deal with. Then maybe utilize a system such as what I've been teaching you and back test it yourself. And if you're trading and you have a set of rules, if you follow those rules, if they make sense to you, follow those rules. Don't break those rules, and you will have a very pleasant journey in your trading experience. If you track your trade and print out your charts and you mark down where you got in, mark down where you got out, you'll be able to go back to see whether you were true to your system or not. Remember, trading, it's not only about price forecasting, but also good risk management and money management. And that's something I hope that each and every one of you walk away with. One other element, you're going to get bloody noses in trading. You're going to have losers. Losing trades will happen. It's all right to lose your shirts in this business. Just don't lose your pants. You've got to take the signals when you get them. Don't be afraid to have losses. You will have losses. Just remember, if you're true to your system, the system will be true to you. Trading is about consistency. That's all I have. I wanted to bid you the best success in your trading career.